Hello. I would like to rent a car.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I just arrived.
How long do you need the car?
I need it for 4 days.
What size car would you like?
A small car is fine.
Let me see what is available. May I see your driver's license?
Here it is. It is an international license.
That is perfect. How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
Good. You must be over 25.
Is there an extra fee for young drivers?
Yes, but you are okay.
Great. Here is my credit card, too.
Would you like full insurance?
What does it cover?
It covers accidents and theft.
Is it expensive?
It is $15 per day.
If I don't take it, what happens?
You must pay for any damage.
Okay, I will take the insurance. Is the mileage limited?
No, you have unlimited mileage.
Can I drive to another city?
Yes, you can drive anywhere in the country.
What about the gas?
The tank is full now.
Do I need to return it full?
Yes, or we will charge you for gas. Let's go look at the car.
It is the silver one.
Yes, look for any scratches.
There is a small scratch on the door.
I will mark it on this paper.
Check the tires, please.
They look new.
Everything looks good to me. Does the car have GPS?
No, but you can rent one.
How much is the GPS?
It is $5 a day.
I will just use my phone.
Do you have a phone holder?
No, I forgot mine.
I can give you one for free.
Where do I bring the car back?
Follow the signs for rental return.
Can I return it at the hotel?
No, it must come back to the airport.
What if I am late?
There is a grace period of 1 hour.
Okay, I will be on time.
Please sign at the bottom.
I am signing now.
Here are the keys.
Where is the car parked?
It is in space 22.
Thank you for your help.
Drive safely and enjoy your trip.